Hello and welcome to this amazing Hostinger first order coupon code deal. So guys, if you are looking to get your hosting from Hostinger, then this is the right time, because if you're buying for the first time, I will give you two of the finest coupon codes along with a special discount link through which you can save a lot of money. So the link is in the description, plus two of the finest coupon codes are also in the description, but I will tell you step by step on how you can claim the first time discounted Hostinger. So once you click on the link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal running right now. Hosting will provide you free domain, free website migration, 24/7 support, and Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, HostAdvice, Beginner. All of them says that Hostinger is an amazing hosting company. No doubt it is. These are the three most popular plan, guys. You can get amazing discount with any of the plan if you click on the link in the description, plus follow the tutorial. And talking about, if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated website migration service, so without any charges they're going to shift all of your website to Hostinger. And this is the control panel, also known as hPanel, industry's finest. Very good, very amazing. Even a beginner or a newbie can use it without any issues. And Hostinger also do not compromise on speed, reliability and efficiency. They have local data centers all around the world. They have full speed, fastest speed, 24/7 support, and the security features are just mind-blowing. You're getting automatic backups, two-factor authentication, unlimited SSL security certificates, plus DDoS attack prevention with the Cloudflare protected names of technology. And at this moment, 4 million plus people are using Hostinger, primary hosting company, and I mean using it from the last 4 years. And if you want to be part of the Hostinger family, make sure to click on the link in the description, and after this simply scroll above and see all of the plans. I recommend you to go with the view all features to do a thorough comparison of all the plan features functions before you are going to offer, and do the features functions details in the detail, and discuss on the features and see what you are looking for. For instance, one-click integration, pre-built templates. Hostinger offers you so many things. Hostinger website builder is an amazing tool. You just have to give a command, it's automatically going to create a website. Security features, I told you. Technical details, service support, security. I recommend you to go through all of these things before going to offer your plan. So after this, you can offer any plan. Simply, let's be going with a premium plan. Again, you guys, it's all up to your personal preference on which plan you are going to offer. You can also offer them the main page, or you can go and discuss on all of the plan. And after this, you will be landed over here where you can see an amazing deal running right now. So I recommend you guys to take the maximum amount of it by opting for the 48 months, but you can opt for 1 month, 12, 24 months as per your convenience. After this, select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply once you apply over here, you're gonna see that your price got a further discount on already running discount deal. Now these prices won't appear again, so I recommend you guys to take the maximum advantage of it. Now there is another coupon code as well. You can use either of the coupon code to grab this amazing discount, and 48 months, so that take the maximum out of it, because these prices won't appear again. After this, select the continue, and you may be asked to log into your Google account. I'm going to log in and show you then. So now I'm logged in, and you may see the coupon code is applied over here at Hostinger. Now write your billing details and simply select the continue. My discount is loaded. The best thing with Hostinger is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, which is just amazing. After this, select payment method. Hostinger offer you variety of payment method, guys. You can pay via PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinKit. So you have variety of options to choose, guys. You can choose any as per your convenience. After this, let's say we're going with a credit card. Simply write credit card details and submit button, and within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your hosting account details. So yeah, just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use right the coupon code to get this amazing discount with Hostinger. I have been using Hostinger from the last 3 to 4 years. My experience so far is very good, and highly recommend you guys to be a part of this family. Good luck with your first order Hostinger discount. Good luck.